we are like a tester run for today. I hope today everyone's having a great day. I might have a little words to speak throughout this message. It's like a sambo message. Sambo session. Channeling message. These are my herbal blunts that I create. I create them specifically. Am I crooked? I'm crooked. It's fine. But I make these specifically to help with grounding. Some of them I make. There's cash flowers. I think this is the relaxer one. Either way, um, either way, I make these specifically to help with calming your energy, being at peace, help actually allow what needs to be in your life. Like, say if you want, what's the word? Say if you want to feel, or you want like clarity on what you need to do next. That's something that my mixes help you with. It's not going to tell you the answer, no, but it will help you. It will guide you to whatever you need easier. So it's not something that forces you. It's like, hey, I need a little help, or hey, I need a little guidance. It's like, I bet I got you. And if you need, like, if you got actually, like, if you need help with like actual anxiety, it helps you, because it helps me, because I am a chronic overthinker. Definitely have little cases of PTSD here and there, but I can confidently say that these help me in ways of continuously reminding me that everything will be okay. I forgot, these burn really short. Mm-hmm. So we're going to be focusing on heart chakra and solar plexus today. Maybe a little sacral. Yeah, these three are going to be the colors and energies that I will be channeling for you guys today. It just felt like more of a call for me. This one, we're gonna see, because she's a specific girl. She's a very specific girl. But there's no need to be scared anymore. There's no need to be scared anymore. The word anymore is necessary in this kind of faction. Because it's like, we have all these situations happening, and it's like, you don't think spirit knew what the fuck it was gonna happen? There is legitimately no need to be scared any longer, anymore. I'm losing daylight. I find it interesting how quick the sun sets, and how the sun moves, yet it doesn't look like it's moving at all. It's pretty gorgeous if you think so. Alright, so in this reading I will be playing, and if I say some things, or if I say some words, or if I do something, make a movement or something, listen. There might be names, there might be, things of that nature. Like, it's a card reading, but with bowls. I ask the spirits of the ancestors, and the spirits of the spirit guides, and the spirits of the sun, moon, air, fire, earth, water to flow through the elements, the peoples, the collective. As I play my bowls, I ask for clarity, 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 clarity. Spirit of clarity, may you sing with me, may you talk to me, guide me through this session, and whomever sees feels and connects to this, please give me the words necessary to get through to you. Sunflower. Sunflowers are the first thing. Sunflowers. Sharp. Very sharp. Very sharp energy in your state, in your solar. Sharp. Why so sharp? Why so edged, jagged? Being jagged is not a bad thing sometimes. It's necessary to like have certain boundaries and shit to guide people and whatnot. But it feels like it's jagged with pain. It's like solar and sacral chakras. Don't mistake that. Sacral chakras are for creativity. Don't be jagged about your creativity, what you feel like should be. It's what it should be. There is no should be. There is what you make it. There is no should be, it's what you make it. How dare you blind yourself to that? You don't blind yourself. You do not stop yourself from what you feel like you should be creating for the sake of you, not for the sake of someone else's ideologies or spiritual guidance. What do you feel? This is your life at the end of the day. Remember, everything is an output. Everything is an output. Everybody else's thoughts and ideals is inputs. Make sure you know thyself before you go for anyone else. If you can't figure that out, take a pause. Chakra hold your sacral for a second, meaning let your foundation support your dreams, support your desires. What is your foundation based on? What are your wants and needs based on? Is it based on fear? Is it based on pleasure? Is it based on security? Is it based on love? Is it based on money? Is it based on wanting to go travel? Is it based on food? Is it based on color systems? Is it based on mindset? What is it for you? What is that based for? What is that based for? There's excitement in that. Let it be exciting. There's a lot of things that our people aren't finding exciting anymore. Be comfortable with letting things be exciting. Allow yourself to be excited for yourself, for what you want, and that guidance. It's gorgeous. Don't you think so? There's hesitation. Why hesitate? Why are you hesitating? For who you are, why are you hesitating? There is no hesitation for wanting to be excited for yourself. There's no need for that. I don't know why I'm getting like, oh, but like, there is no, because you can't even finish that sentence. Oh, it's like an, oh, but what if? It's like, oh, but like, nigga, sorry. Beloved, no. It's like a what if what? All I said was be excited for yourself. The hesitation was like, what if? It's like, what if what? What if it doesn't work? What if someone judges? What if? Baby, be excited. There's no need for you to be like, oh, that, and oh, that, and oh, that. It's like, oh, what is what? What What is that? What do you mean, what is that? What are you talking about? What are you actually talking about? Be excited. We keep going back to root chakra. Very much a grounding energy. A stillness is necessary for certain things, for certain people. At peace, but knowing there's like little things that need guidance and a little bit of assistance. But you're at peace. That's good. I like that for you. I love that you've allowed peace into your life. Very proud of you. Third eye, very nice. You're saying what it is that you need and you want. Keep that, baby. Keep that. Keep that. Wow. I love that for you. I don't know why this popped in my head, but it's we're off to see the wizard, the wonderful Wizard of Oz. When I hit the crown chakra, like you're off to see your higher self, or you're off to see spirit. Like you're off to see the people that you love, or like you're off to see your higher, like you're off to see the journey. Like you're on the journey. Your spiritual guidance. Like you know you're there. You're doing it. You're doing the thing. You're doing the thing. Congratulations. I'm very proud of you and your thing. And you're doing a great job. Like you're doing a great job. Your path is like, honestly, you're doing a great job. Your throat chakra balances out your crown and your third eye, and sometimes your root. Because I was going to say root too, but I wanted to make sure I got those two. But yeah, your crown, your throat chakra balances out those two. That is amazing. That is an interesting 3-chord mix, isn't it? The sun is now gone. I'm going to take that as a closing procedure. So give me about 30 seconds of your time to finalize and close out the energy. Thank you, Spirit, for the guidance of you. As we grounded our root chakra, as we feel protected and energized in what we do. As we allow our creativity to flow as who we are, as what we are. To trust thyself and who we in our image as we are. To love freely and truly as we are. To speak truly and graciously as we are. To see truly and graciously. And to trust what we see too. And to know that we are always guided in your image, in our image, in our higher self image, our spirits, in our energy, in our hearts and mind and soul. Within us, we are grounded. Thank you for that guidance. And as we go forth in our journey, I ask for all of us to be safe. I want us to know that we are protected and guided, and that we are all fine. Ashe, thank you so much for listening. And I shall talk to y'all another day.